Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. pep8, which stands for Python Enhancement Proposal 8, is the style guide for Python code. It provides conventions for writing clean, readable, and consistent Python code. Following pep8 can help improve the readability of your code and make it easier for others, and yourself, to understand and maintain it. Below is a detailed overview of the key conventions in pep8, along with code examples. 1. Code layout. Indentation. Use 4 spaces per indentation level. Never use tabs, spaces are preferred. Maximum line length. Limit all lines to a maximum of 79 characters. For comments and docstrings, limit to 72 characters. 2. Whitespace. Around operators and delimiters. Use a single space around binary operators and after commas. Avoid extra spaces. Blank lines. Use blank lines to separate functions and classes, and larger blocks of code inside functions. Use 2 blank lines before a function or class definition, and 1 blank line within a method. 3. Imports. Imports should usually be on separate lines. Group imports in the following order: standard library imports, related third-party imports, and local application/library specific imports. 4. Naming conventions. Variables and functions. Use lowercase words separated by underscores for variable and function names. Classes. Use capitalized words convention for class names. Constants. Use all underscore caps with underscores for constants. 5. Comments. Use comments to explain code that is not immediately clear. Keep them up to date. Block comments generally apply to some, or all, code that follows them and are indented to the same level as that code. Inline comments should be separated by at least 2 spaces from the statement and should start with a and a space. 6. Docstrings. Use triple quotes for docstrings. Write them as the first statement in a module, function, class, or method. 7. Exceptions. Use try and except to handle exceptions, and always specify the exception type. Example code. Here's a complete example demonstrating many of the pep8 guidelines. Conclusion. Following pep8 guidelines will help you write clean, readable, and maintainable Python code. It's worth taking the time to familiarize yourself with these conventions, and tools like flake8, pylint, or black can help automate the checking of your code against these standards. Happy coding!